back to 20 car, when GMC decided to take the Yukon XL to the next level, they didn't just tweak a few buttons, they rewrote the rule book. The 2025 GMC Yukon XL Concept is a symphony of muscle and luxury, carved into an SUV that's more like a rolling fortress with a velvet heart. From the outside, it looks like a sculpted monument on wheels, sharp LED matrix lights, a muscular grille that feels like it could part the Red Sea, and 24-inch turbine alloy wheels that could probably take on a battlefield. The body is longer, sleeker, and surprisingly aerodynamic for its massive size. Inside? Oh, it's like stepping into the command bridge of a futuristic cruiser. Think 20-inch floating digital display, suede leather seats that hug you like grandma's couch, and a dashboard lit with ambient lighting that changes with your mood. There's even a voice-activated personal assistant named Max who actually cracks jokes. No kidding. Under the hood, it's all business, a 6.2 liters hybrid V8 that pumps out 520 horses. It sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers height in 4.9 seconds, which is shocking for a giant like this. It's not just big, it's fast. Rivals? Think Cadillac Escalade, Lincoln Navigator, and Range Rover LWB. But none have the Yukon's all-American grid with space for an entire band tour. Pricing? Estimated at $88,000. Ownership costs are mid-range, insurance is a bit high, but it holds value well. Maintenance is minimal thanks to modular parts. Driving it feels like steering a luxury yacht through the clouds, effortless and smooth. Pros: monstrous space, tech wizardry, unmatched presence. Cons: city parking? Forget about it.